Hi there, my name is Anton, part of the customer service team here at FreeConference.com. This is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to search past meetings. This is a great feature that makes navigating through your past meetings extremely simple. So as you can see, there's a search tab at the top of your screen. I'm just going to search marketing, as we have a lot of marketing calls here. And look at this, all these past marketing conference calls show up. So I don't have to endlessly search through past conferences. I can just quickly search it, click on it, and I immediately get the summary of that conference call. You can even search files. So I'm just going to search PNG file. Here I have a conference call where a PNG file was shared straight to my documents, and I can quickly download it. It makes conference calling that much more useful because now you have an automatic archive of past files and past discussions that are quickly accessible. And of course, if you have any questions at all, you can visit our support site by the menu in the account homepage and open a ticket. Or you can email us at support@freeconference.com.